I thought I'd share this with you. I've moved on from using ChatGPT to a more program orientated AI. This is a program called Cursor, which I was recommended to use. And I must say, it's lights ahead of ChatGPT and Copilot. The way it integrates with the development. I'm quite a way into this program. It took me, I'm a couple of hours into it from scratch. I pointed the database I've got at it, which is this database here, a simple little bookstore database. I pasted the description, the SQL to create that table into Copilot, into Cursor, and told it I wanted some maintenance screens. It very quickly gave me these basic screens. I applied some bootstrap to it. Well, let me show you. Let me show you. As you see, it's written all this code for me. All these lines and lines of code, all AI generated. It puts in here and suggestions. It'll tell you. You can apply the suggestions from here. This is how far I got, and literally this has only taken me 3 or 4 hours. This is the management system. I've got it running at the minute. No, let me just fire it up. You fire it up by going to the correct directory, which isn't that one. It is cd key so learn. Ah, 2 down. There, at last, right. I've got all these folders, just the app pie in there, and the templates I've got more. I'll just show you what it's created for me. There we are. Some static files. It's on my Bootstrap and custom CSS. That's my Bootstrap and the CSS applied. These are the views on the MVC. Python code is written, and this is what happens when you run it. Actually, I'm really impressed with this. It's got some very clever JavaScript is written, jQuery. Okay, fires it up. On my local server, it's only development, but you can put it on live if you want. And there we are, that's what it's written for me. Very nice layout, very nice orders. There's our orders, it's got paging I put on, it's got sort by, apply filter. Lovely system, easy to change around, put a different theme if you want. But this is the bit that impressed me most. I managed to go to customers, and if you say make a new customer, it pops up a little bit modal screen here. But what if the country they're in you haven't got on your system? So I added this, add new country. You can put in now, I've already got a country called test. Try to make that, and it will tell me that already exists, so I can't create that one. Let's put test 10, test X. Let's put that in. Not only does it make the country, tells me it's been successfully added, then returns the new customer screen with it already selected. The JavaScript involved in that is really difficult. I'm super impressed with it. I can't believe how fantastic Cursor integrates with the development environment.